गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। मैं ब्रजेश कुमार, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ बॉटनी, जमशेदपुर कोऑपरेटिव कॉलेज। मैं आपको इकोलॉजिकल सक्सेशन के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहा था। पिछले क्लास में हाइड्रोशेयर के विषय में डिस्कस किया था। आज जीरो शेयर ऑन बार्क रॉक पर डिस्कशन करेंगे। जीरो शेयर ऑन बार्क रॉक फर्स्ट pioneer or crustose lichen stage. The rock's habitat is extremely acidic. Water and nutrients are extremely scarce, and the conditions are aggravated by exposure to sun and wind and extremes of temperature. The first pioneers on such a habitat are the crustose lichens such as species of Graphis, Lycidia and Lecanora. They, they are very slow growers and can stand extreme discussion. Whenever there is rain, they can absorb water like a sponge and flourish very rapidly. Migration takes place by lichen fragments or spores. The lichen secrete acids that slowly corrode and decompose the rock, making it rough. Foliage lichen stage second. The change in the rock made by crustose lichen makes possible the growth of xeric foliage lichens such as par, Parmelia and Physia. These occupy the depressions in the rock and other weathered portion. Their expanded thali of overshadow and gradually replace the crustose lichens, which eventually decay and die. Water and humus collect around the foliage lichens and acids eat into the rock. Gradually, there collects a thin layer of soil consisting of rock particles, remains of lichens, and particles of dust. This prepares the way for xerophytic mossage. Moss stage. The accumulation of soil and some humus in the rock crevices makes the substratum fit for inhibition of xerophytic mosses such as polytrichum and gremia. Their rhizoids compete with the lichens and their erect stems overshadow the latter. They are as drought enduring as the fossils, lichens, and sometimes the two occur together, or the moss may even come earlier. Fruticose lichens like Cladonia and Eusenia accompany the mosses, and with them side the fossil forms which are worsted in the competition and disappear. Herbaceous stage. The mosses increase the amount of the soil and the death and decay of the older mosses often produce a mat on the rock surface. This mat has great water holding capacity. Many herbs first short-lived annual and later uh, biennial and perennial and xerophytic grasses make their appearance. The roots of these plants accelerate the process of rock disintegration. The soil increase and so does humus due to the death and decay of these plants. Evaporation from the soil decreases and humidity increases. Shrub stage. Xerophytic shrubs now appear. The herbaceous plants of the preceding stage, now shaded, tend to disappear. The roots of the shrubs further corrode the rock, which is now more or less completely over covered with soil. The soil is further enriched by humus formed from fallen leaves and twigs. The soil is shaded and evaporation from it reduced. Wind movement is retarded and humidity increased. All these conditions are favorable for the growth of trees and unfavorable for the former possessors of the land which disappear. Climax forest. The first species of trees to appear are xeric. Their growth is stunted and they are far spaced. Their seedlings are sad, intolerant. More soil is formed from the weathering of rock and the humus. Soil moisture gradually increases, humidity also increases. The trees now become taller and their growth denser. Under their increasing shade, the light demanding shrubs and earlier trees give place to more shade tolerant and mesophytic species of trees. A new herbaceous and shrubby vegetation adapted to the humid air and a moister. The richer soil develops in the shade of the forest floor. From the two examples of succession described above, it will be noted that succession is convergent. Whatever the condition of the initial habitat, reaction tend to make it favorable to more and more plants by reduction of extremes, which is always reflected in improved moisture condition. Thus, xeric habitats become moisture and hydric ones become their drier as mm, suction progresses. Beginning as a hydrosphere or a geosphere, the succession in the class cases described above the culminated in a mesophytic forest. The deciding factor is the climate. Depending upon the climate, primary succession may lead to a meadow in place of shrub and tree stage. This is common in drier areas where various grasses make up the climax vegetation. It will also be seen that a succession, whether a hydrosphere or a geosphere, is more or less characterized by a similar series of stages. These stages are one, nudation, or two, or the formation of bare area. Second, migration and colonization. Third, easis, that means the establishment and maturation of the closing species. Fourth, aggregation. Fifth, reaction. Sixth, competition. Seventh, stabilization. And eighth, climax. From the above account, one may concluded that succession is a development process in which an area is the sense of several waves of plant population coming one after the other. Each wave occupies the habitat for some time. It begins slowly, then increases rapidly, and finally declines and disappears during the time it is in possession of the habitat. The plants of each wave profoundly influence the material and physical environment of the site, making it less suitable for their own continuation and more suitable for the next community. This is true for both hydro share and zero share. The terms association and concession etc. used in only to climate communities and not to several communities, and most of them end with the suffix "atian" terms of the corresponding several communities and end with the suffix "siege." Their terms and associated consortium, passage and sausage, thus read swamp is not classed as an association but the associate. Second, major trends in succession. During the progress of succession, the plant and animal species that make the structure of the several community changes continuously. Besides the structural mm, beside the structural change, functional change also occurs in the community. The major changes that occur in the course of succession in any area are briefly described below. The kinds of plants and animals change continuously with succession. The species that are important in the pioneer stage of succession are not likely to be important in the climax stage. Second, biomass and standing crop of organic matter increase with succession. In an increase in the variety and amount of organic substances of biological significance, biochemicals, takes place with the accumulation of many kinds of organic materials in the environment. The decomposing organic matter on humus and many soluble organic substances like sugars and amino acids also accumulate. Many complex organic substances, extrametabolites, pass out from the bodies of organism into the environment. Among such substances are antibiotics, growth inhibitors, vitamins and growth regulators. Third, the variety and number of species tend to increase with succession, at least in the early stages. The diversity is more pronounced in the heterotrophic organism. The diversity of microorganisms and heterotrophic plants and animals is likely to be greater in the latter stages of succession than in the early stages. Autotrophs usually show greatest diversity in the earlier stages of succession. The word diversity is here used with reference to function groups and not taxonomic groups. Thus, if the consider forest succession, the herbivorous in the early herbaceous stage will mostly consist of numerous species of orthopteran insects, grasshoppers, etc. If, however, we consider all kinds of herbivorous, greater diversity is likely to be met with in the latter stage. Finally, as the individual organism becomes larger and larger, the increase in competition tends to reduce diversity. Fourth, as succession progress, not community production decrease and community respiration increase. In the early stage of primary successor, gross primary production exceeds community respiration. In the latter stages, respiration increase with the result that net community production decreases. Mm, This leads as a condition of equilibrated stability in the ecosystem. थैंक यू। कल के क्लास में कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ क्लाइमेक्स कम्युनिटीज का डिस्कशन करेंगे। छोटा सा पार्ट है, इसको कल डिस्कशन करेंगे और ये चैप्टर कल समाप्त हो जाएगा।